So Aerospheres is the only company in the FDH group that sells chemicals for aircraft maintenance. That's adhesives, paints, lubricants, cleaners, those kind of things. We also sell some composite material as well, which is used particularly on the newer types of aircraft. I'm Paul Thompson. I'm CEO of Aerospheres. 95% of our business is aftermarket, and it's probably of that, again, 95% is commercial aviation. We are global. We sell to nearly 900 customers worldwide. We distribute to 100 different countries, all out of the UK. We hold over 1,000 products. The challenge with the products is there's all sorts of different criteria. Some are frozen goods, some are refrigerated. Temperature controls is very important. We have fire vaults because we handle things like aerosols which need to be contained. We are appreciated by our customers a lot. We give a very fast and responsive service. Some of the products we handle are difficult to handle. Being chemicals, they're dangerous goods. So it's an unusual group of products. It's something that customers often have difficulty with, both in terms of sourcing, handling, and in shipment. So that's really where our expertise is. We have staff that know how to handle, to pack, to ship. You've probably seen products with all the DG labels, and there's no reason why that can't be handled through e-commerce as well. The website is updated every 15 minutes, live inventory, and when an order's placed, it flows straight from the customer on the website down to the warehouse. The web, obviously, you can place orders overnight and it will be there in the morning when we come in. So we aim to respond to quotes within 4 hours. With an AOG, it's a 1 hour is what we look to in terms of a response time. Yeah, we're very focused on ensuring that we give a fast response to the customers.